Hello, welcome back to my channel, the Home and Garden Design channel of the Bay Area. Today I'm going to talk about color psychology in design. Color holds power. It can impact our moods, emotions, and behaviors. Color is an element in architecture that evokes a lot of different emotions. Color does not exist without the presence of light. Blue transmits the feeling of positivity, confidence, and security. When you look at the color blue, your body actually produces chemicals that calms the nervous system. Blue purifies your thinking and helps you become more mindful of what is important in life. Since it's the color of water and sky, blue is a popular choice for any room in the house, but it works especially well in the bedroom and bathroom where you want to create a zen-like atmosphere. Yellow portrays optimism, curiosity, joviality, and a bright atmosphere. It is always frequently used in commercial spaces or restaurants to gain the attention of pedestrians. Yellow is the epitome of cheery, energy, and positivity that increases your metabolism and gives you energy. Studies have found that if you paint a nursery yellow, it will affect the baby's sleep. So I wouldn't recommend this color in your kids' room if you want them to have a nice and relaxed sleep. Red. This color shows energy, excitement, impulse. It is regularly used in commercial spaces such as stores or fast food outlets, as it portrays a certain compulsivity and consumer desire. At the same time, it makes our hearts beat faster and is related with movement and speed. Studies have shown that just looking at the color red can increase your heart rate, so be careful when you splash that red paint. Used in the right amounts, red can inspire romance and increase the appetite, so it's good to use it in the dining room if you have picky eaters. The fact that makes you active and encourages constant movement is not recommended to use it in a bedroom. The main color in a fire station is red, to help these heroes to be active and alert to emergencies. Green evokes calm, tranquility, serenity, and well-being. It is regularly used in spaces associated with health, such as hospitals and relaxation centers. There is a reason spas and doctors' offices use shades of green in their decor, because it's a relaxing and natural color that brings a sense of calm. Use green accents to rejuvenate yourself and promote physical and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that workers that are in a stressful environment, if they have green surroundings, they have fewer stomach aches. Orange, the result of combination of yellow and red. Orange projects an idea of intensity, creativity, euphoria, and enthusiasm. It is often used in creative environments such as offices, studios, and schools. Orange is the most fun. It's the color of laughter and celebration. Generally, people who use orange in their interiors are seen as warm, confident, free, and ambitious. If used together with blues, it conveys the idea of impulsivity and trust, so it's adopted by banking agencies and offices. Violet. This color transmits health, calmness, and softness. Historically, purple is associated with royalty and is known to be a highly creative color. Purple is also known for stimulating the brain activity used in problem solving. In Feng Shui, color purple inspires spirituality, adventure, and prosperity. The story about colors can be endless. I can't imagine a world without color. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Ciao!